ka-friendship. This is again Friendship Andre bringing you another food vlog about the chicken puchero of Kalinog, Iloilo. So sa chicken puchero, we have chicken, banana, and cabbage. So typically ginisa nga chicken, you put and then you put the sabaw, and then put the banana, sliced banana, and the cabbage. So what is good about this dish? It's very delicious. Tisingan tang sabaw, minor cubes, grado ko na, because it enhances the taste of the chicken. Let's say cabbage, very healthy ni siya nga dish because it uses chicken, white meat, and the vegetables, cabbage, and the fruit banana. Tastes delicious. So manamit ni siya nga lunch. Ako wala ko garay, so full gid ni siya ako kay ang banana nagpa-full sa stomach mo. Good ni for the kids. So sini nga mainit nga panahon, we're trying to give my tummy a healthy solution para dasig ako mabusog. So this is for me is the best lunch kay it's full of protein and vitamins and vitamin A and C. So this is again chicken puchero with cabbage and banana. Again, this is Friendship Andre. See you in my next vlog.